up,
my
guys?
new African friend.
Yeah, my name is Myra. Hey, what's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden. I met him in the club there, man, but it has been the most disappointing night for me.
Man, don't worry about that, but that's a Nassau girls go, but they ain't shit, bro. But you know what? That's a small thing. See, guys, like fucking that.
Yeah,
That's the type what you need to be after, bro. See, I ain't trying to say when you come Nassau, you can't be trying to focus on one thing. Trying to be focused on everything.
Okay.
Anyway, they gotta go,
So
though.
I focused on one girl, and I was a big loser, man. Full time.
I was trying to show you can't keep doing that, bro. Then you can lose in the Bahamas like that. But anyways, I gotta go. So catch you later, bro.
Okay, bro. Take care.
Yeah.
Okay, take care. So, honestly, this has been one of the most boring nights of my entire nightlife videos. It has been so crazy, like so bad, man. Like, you can't find value in this, you know. You can't find value in this, man. So to go in a club is $10. Beers, like here the beer are cheap. It's $5 a beer. But the crazy part is, man, you take a girl out, she can't dance, she can't do anything. She's just doing like this. And you wanna dance, you wanna feel the vibe, man. You out here. That girl, the girl who just went straight there, I was trying to dance with her and she was like, Sometimes I'll say like this. As a black guy, I'll say like this. When you go to places where there are too many black guys, it flips you over and everybody thinks you're a local, so it turns to be a boring night. So when you travel, always try to go to places where you can stand out, places where you can just be you and, you know, enjoy to the fullest. It's a huge disappointment, man. Spending like over $100 a night and you can't even dance with the girl. But that's what you can see. That's the type of girl you can see here. You see? They're really heavy type of girls, you know? Yeah. So, I think I'll never come back to Bahamas. They didn't do anything bad to me, but I feel like it's a place which is very expensive and also a place where you don't have to be. Our friends passing by there. Okay. This is in the Bahamas. Actually, some people will be like, no, that's not Bahamas, but let me show you. This is Nassau. You see right behind me? Right there, it's written Nassau Arcade. There are cute girls too here and there. You see like the one passing over there. That's a cute girl, but there's those type of girls like, hey, I wanna do this, I don't wanna dance, I don't wanna do this. And that's one reason I don't actually date black girls, because they're always like, you know, very like exclusive. Let me show you this way, maybe you can see. Yeah. So that's one of the main reasons I don't date black girls. They're more of like, you know, hard to handle. You wanna go place, you flow, man. So I met this lady from Jamaica. She was really nice. So I asked her, hey, do you wanna go out tonight? Because today is Sunday actually, Sunday night. So it's Sunday night, tomorrow is Monday. I think already it's tomorrow, it's past 12. So I talked to this lady, I tell her, hey, you wanna go out? And she's like, yeah, I wanna go out, and I go enjoy. And man, I take care of everything. I pay the taxi, pay entrance, pay drinks. She can't even dance. She can't even like shake, like, you know, even just me a little, she can't, man. Then you know what I told her? I told her, hey, I think I just wanna let you stay here. I wanna go find a girl to dance with. And I swear before God, I left her there, went found some girl. I tried talking to 2 or 3. They were like, yeah. So I think anybody who will be commenting negative here, I don't care, man, you know. At least I told you the reality here. If you come here, it will be like that. So this is the club right there. It's called X. Some stuff. And those are the girls right there. see right there. Yeah. So this is the original nightlife here, man. Yeah. It's I didn't even see people dancing, you know. So huge disappointment. And honestly, Nassau or Nassau has been super expensive, and I didn't find the value of my money here, man. Food is like $20. I know you guys may be saying like I'm complaining, but I'm giving you realities, you know. You don't come a place like this, and maybe places like Colombia will offer you 10 times. Even Mexico will offer you, even Cancun, Mexico, one of the most visited places in the world. A hostel is for a bed, shared beds, you know, so one bed. It could be from $10 to $19. Here, it's $33 fucking dollars. 6 people in one room, so 33 times 6, you get how much a room costs. And if you want to book a room for yourself, man, Bahamas is a huge rip-off. I feel like, I hope I don't get copyright to that music. This is just a place where you come when you have already your girl. You're just coming to enjoy and just to have a, you know, just some time, you know. Yeah, Nassau, Bahamas. Okay guys, I think I'll end this video here. Let me call my taxi or Uber. And as I already told you, please check the taxi guy. He will show you good places, and also he's the cheapest. But also at night, past 12, he charges $15, which is not so good. Yeah, sorry, but I swear, this has been one of my worst countries to visit. I didn't like it at all. I don't mean like it's insecure or anything. I mean value of money and what you get. That's one thing I didn't like. Yeah. Value of money. Jamaica was, I think, 10 times better than this place. For example, I'm just giving an example. Panama is 10 times better than this place. Yeah. People even can't dance, man. So go to a country to drink a beer. You can drink that from your house. Okay guys, let me end this video here. Please subscribe to my channel, man. More videos coming of Nassau nightlife. Those guys right there. Those guys right there. I was with them last week. Yesterday actually. We were dancing, and those white girls you see there, they're from California actually, those girls. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that crazy video I posted. But for now, man, I'm trying to say goodbye, but you know, the background looks busy, and I'm trying to give you more information. Per night here, 50 US per person. At least, you know, that means at least. If you drink like me, for example, today I didn't have any. I had 1 beer, and I bought the girl 2 beers, entrance, taxi. Yeah. There is no Uber here, so it's about taxis. Yeah. The one I told you it's Uber, it's not really like Uber, like you click and it's the app. No, they call themselves Uber, but in reality they are not Uber. It's a taxi. It's crazy. Like somebody gives you the number, gives you the rates, then says I am an Uber. So he does not call himself a taxi, because the taxi has to put the thing of a taxi, you know, that's showing like this is a taxi and stuff. So here there are no taxis. It's private taxi, which they don't show you like I'm a taxi. So let's say that guy driving right there could be a taxi, but they don't say I'm a taxi. So they call themselves Uber, but again, it's not Uber. And you have to know like somebody for them to pick you from your house. It's so confusing, man. Thank you guys. I think I've spoken more than I was supposed to speak. When you're coming to Nassau, if you have to come, just know you'll just be spending a lot of money, but really not get the value of it. Bye for now, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.